children, welcome to Master Math with Sarika. In today's video, we will understand the concept of subtraction with the help of these examples. So, let's begin. Say, we have to subtract 18 from 62. Now, 62 has 6 tens and 2 ones. 18 has 1 tens and 8 ones. Children, always remember to start subtraction from the ones column. So, let's begin. 8 cannot be subtracted from 2. So, this 2 will ask for 1 tens from its neighbor. So, 6 becomes 5 after giving 1 10 and this 2 becomes 12. Now, 12 minus 8 is 4 and 5 minus 1 is also 4. So, 62 minus 18 is 44 and 44 has 4 tens and 4 ones. Now, let's see this example. Again, start subtraction from the ones column. 6 cannot be subtracted from 4. So, this 4 will ask for 1 tens from its neighbor. Now, this 5 becomes 4 and this 14 becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So, 54 minus 26 is 28 and 28 has 2 tens and 8 ones. I hope the concept of subtraction is clear to you. And if you like the video and would like to see more such videos, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.